Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Wednesday, September the 9th, 2009. Well, this is a shortened video. We always prepare about a 4 or 5 minute synopsis of the market, and then we do about a 15 to 20 minute one for the members that's posted on the members section of our website. So this one will last about 4 or 5 minutes, and it'll allow us to at least go over some of the key components here of what we think the market's condition is. We always like to start with taking a look at the market profiles, and this profile I'm circling right now is the profile for the Globex session. In behind these shaded areas is the volume. The letters are the market profile. And so this was yesterday's action here, and this was today's action. So we had mentioned yesterday that in around the 19 area would be support. As it turned out, 1875 was the overnight low. We'd also said that 22 was an important level. Market only reached 23.25 and then continued its upward bias with our next target around 31. It hit that early in the day and then backed off a bit and then went up to our next area in around the 35-36 area right here. So as it stands right now, we're looking at monitoring the market from approximately 31 to 38, and we'll see if it can probe above or dip below. And those are our next keyers. We're still bullish on this market, although 38 is a fairly important high that was formed a couple of weeks ago, and we expect that to get tested this week, and we'll just have to wait and see if the market really likes it above there or below there. And so we can see that that area could very well be certainly will likely be a good area to monitor for trading on a short term, and could even quite possibly be a good area on a long-term basis, or a longer-term swing to longer-term trade, either on the short or the long side. So that's what we're looking at going into today and then today's trades. Here's the actual individual profiles. You can see here that the market traded for 2 hours on Monday, and that's why that little guy is right there. But it's continuing to move higher, and we like this upward movement. Suspect that it's likely to continue. Here's our software for today. We had a nice short trade early in the session. It appeared right in here. Market it only moved against us a tick and then moved 5 ticks in our direction. Our second objective is 6, so it didn't quite make it. So a lot of our traders' worst case scenario on a trade like that is break even. Some may have made a little bit. We then tried to get long once the market went above this yellow area here. You can see it did go above it, ticked down to the tick before it rallied up, but it was difficult to get in there. So we tried to get long, but were unable to. The market continued up. You can see it initially hit at 30.25, and we were suggesting around the 31 as a key area. So it temporarily stalled out here and then rallied above it, came back down, dipped below it here late in the day, but then closed above it. So I think we need to monitor 31 overnight as well to see if the market can go ahead and actually stay above there and continue to confirm the bullishness that we see in the market. We did have an opportunity on a short trade as the market broke here, although our filter at that time was green, as you can see. So we did not make that trade, even though the market had gotten up to the next area of resistance. So our more aggressive traders would have taken that, but as far as our basic system trades were concerned, there was no trade in there. So it did turn out to be a quiet day for us as far as trading was concerned, which is the one break-even trade worst case scenario. So that's all that really happened today, and we're expecting more up tomorrow. The thing too that we want to watch for tomorrow is that the jobless claims numbers will be released tomorrow, and then there's several important numbers coming out on Friday. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Wednesday, September the 9th. Any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you, so just send us an email at info@eminidaytrader.com. And for those of you that are trading, just a quick reminder that tomorrow, the Thursday the 10th, it will be the rollover day. So tomorrow's front month contract trading in the eMini stock indexes will be the December contract. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for listening.